Bullish Wax cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 57 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Waxp could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish Wax market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Wax presentation. Numerous blockchain projects are arising with improved network engineering, decreased energy utilization, and another convention calculation to address the weaknesses of confirmation of work blockchains. Wax is one of the blockchain innovations that utilization a superior agreement strategy in light of confirmation of work. All that you want to send off an effective decentralized application is accessible on the Wax stage. It was made as a blockchain with the particular goal of working with online business exchanges that were faster, more secure, and simpler, predominantly while exchanging wares utilized in computer games. By delivering and selling NFTs on the commercial center and utilizing Wax's blockchain to make decentralized application, trailblazers can receive the rewards of the Wax undertaking's numerous functionalities and furnish clients with an assortment of play-to-procure gaming encounters. Likewise, Wax gives a decentralized NFT and computerized resource commercial center with an emphasis on carbon impartiality by embracing a designated evidence of stake component. In this blog, we will feature Wax, its specialized examination, and Waxp cost expectations. All the substance introduced in this blog fills enlightening needs. So remember to do your own exploration on the normal estimate cost and verifiable information for a protected and wise venture. What is Wax? An NFT blockchain and network token called Wax was explicitly made to accelerate, rearrange, and secure internet-based exchanges for all gatherings. Appointed verification of stake is the famous calculation utilized by the Wax blockchain, intended to work consistently with OS. With the assistance of the remarkable highlights and award framework made by Wax, the blockchain's convenience for internet business is upgraded, and deciding in favor of organizations and tasks is empowered. Moreover, various brands incline toward it over other computerized commercial centers on account of its particular blend of simplicity, security, and natural neighborliness. Wax specialized investigation. Specialized information-driven market pattern investigation offers brilliant perceivability into how a crypto market is doing. Notwithstanding, to keep away from bogus signs about Wax cost gauge, observe that markers ought to never be viewed as alone and that consolidating numerous TA indicators is dependably ideal. Basic moving normal. The small line computes the Waxp normal cost for the informational index utilizing information from a foreordained period. This drawn-out signal, on any timescale, can help decide whether Waxp current cost will go on in a bullish or negative pattern or converse it. Amazing oscillator. An amazing oscillator is utilized in the cryptographic money markets to help or disprove Waxp cost patterns on graphs. These diagrams contrast ongoing information with past information to conjecture market energy. Preceding opening a position, it is likewise useful to perceive purchase signs and conceivable inversion levels. Relative strength record. Waxp cost variances, including most extreme value level and least cost esteem, are resolved utilizing the energy oscillator known as RSI. Values for the RSI range from 0 to 100. RSI greater than 70 shows Waxp is exaggerated and defenseless to a market slump. RSI lesser than 30 demonstrates Waxp is underestimated. Wax essential investigation. A particular blockchain and token intended to improve on the turn of events and exchange of computerized resources are utilized by Wax. What's more, the undertaking is fostering an assortment of blockchain-based assets that might be utilized to plan NFTs, applications, and organization-based play-to-procure games. Wax's blockchain foundation likewise includes a length of 500 milliseconds and charges its clients no exchange expenses. Wax current cost. Wax is right now worth 5 cents USD. Waxp has moved 2.86% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,004,099. Wax is right now positioned 153 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $136,064,894 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Wax to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Wax Value Forecast 2022. Wax, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Waxp cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 8 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Waxp is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Wax Waxp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Waxp will before long outperform 14 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Waxp's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Waxp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 11 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 20 cents and Waxp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Waxp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 18 cents and a low of 17 cents in 2024. Wax Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Wax effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Waxp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Waxp will be green in 2025. The Waxp is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 26 cents, with a base cost of 23 cents and a typical cost of 24 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2026. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the Waxp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 30 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 29 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Waxp has a greatest value worth of 32 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 36 cents. In the event that Waxp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 38 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Waxp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 35 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2028. While Waxp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 41 cents and a yearly cost close above 44 cents in 2028. Wax Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Wax will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 47 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 50 cents. Averaging out at 48 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Waxp cost in 2030 is projected to be 57 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 55 cents. And the Wax, which focuses on the NFT and gaming enterprises, has so far been useful in cultivating